Kumusta po kayo? Si Sir Jeff po ulit ito nagbabalik para sa panibagong problem na ating isosolve. Subukan po natin ito. What is the lowest form of 132 over 165? Medyo mahirap hanapin yung factor ng 132 at saka 165. Ito alam natin pwede ito sa 5 pero hindi pwede dun sa 132. So, I'm going to show two ways on how to solve this one. Yung medyo familiar na doon sa process na ganito o nagtatry ng ibang shortcut at yung basic na prime factorization. So, doon sa magagaling, ang ginagawa nilang shortcut dyan is to subtract the difference or to get the difference between the two numbers. Since mas malaki yung 165, uunahin ko na, isasubtract ko yung mas mababa na 132. At ang magiging sagot niyan is 33. Pag nakuha mo na yung number na difference ng dalawang numero, i-check mo pa ito kung talagang ito is factor ng 165 at saka 132. So, para malaman natin yon, kailangan i-divide natin yung dalawang number na yan into 33. Unahin natin doon sa 132 divided by 33 is equivalent sa 4. At doon naman sa 165 divided by 33, that is equivalent naman sa 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung 33 is the greatest common factor ng dalawang numero. Kasi pwede siyang i-divide parehas. So, to reduce now to lowest term, ang ginagawa natin, di ba, pag nakuha na natin yung greatest common factor, i-divide natin yung GCF natin o yung greatest common factor na nakuha natin dun sa numerator at saka sa denominator. So, our answer will be 132 divided by 33, that's equivalent to 4 as we did here. And 165 divided by 33 is equivalent to 5 as we did here. So, this is now the reduced form ng ating 132 over 165 na fraction. Pero itong process na ito hindi accurate. Kumbaga parang technique lang ito ng mga magagaling. A better way to solve this one if you are a beginner is yung tinatawag natin na prime factorization. So sa prime factorization, ang ginagawa lang, kukunin lang natin yung mga factors o yung mga numero na pwedeng i-multiply hanggang sa makuha natin yung mga prime numbers sa dulo. Okay, ipakita na lang natin. Halimbawa, yung 132 unahin natin. And then we will do the same to sa 165. Unahin natin sa 132 again. Since this is a even number, so, ang factor nito is 2. Okay, so we're going to start with the number 2. And then, ano yung number na pwede mong multiply para maging 132? That is 66. So, we simply get the factors of the 132 here. But, we have to take note that we need to get all the prime factors. Etong 2 is prime na, pero yung 66 hindi pa. So, we have to factor this again. Since this is an even number, pwede ulit natin kunin yan by 2. Anong number na pwede natin i-multiply para maging 66? That is 2 times 33. As you can see, ang factor natin ngayon is 2, 2, and 33. Lahat ng numero na ito is prime na. So, mag-i-stop na tayo dito. Susubukan naman natin gawin yung process na yan doon sa 165. Alam naman natin na pinakamadaling numero na i-divide yan is yung 5. O para makuha yung factor niyan, you're going to get to 5. And ano yung number na pwede mong multiply sa 5 para maging 165? That is 33. 5 times 33 is 165. Yung 5 prime number na ito, yung 33 din, prime number na ito. So, stop na tayo dito. Next thing that we're going to do is to get the common between the common factor between 132 and 165. And the factors for 132 is 2 times 2. We'll simply get these factors. 2 times 2 times 33. Okay? Which is these numbers. And for 165, it is simply 5 times 33. I write this way para makita lang natin kung ano yung common, which is yung 33. Kung meron pang ibang common, we will just simply multiply yung mga numbers na yon. Pero dito, nag-iisa lang naman. So, yung magiging greatest common factor na natin dito is yung 33. We can now reduce this number o yung fraction natin na 132 over 165 by dividing again it by 33 at saka yung 33 both sa numerator at saka denominator. And as we have did already sa past na solution natin, 132 divided by 33 is equivalent to 4, and 165 divided by 33 is equivalent to 5, giving us again a reduced form of 4 over 5. So that's it. I hope may natutunan po tayo ditong technique, yung prime factorization, and how to get the using the difference as technique.